Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. DR Docs channel. In our previous sessions, we discussed about the TypeScript, optional parameters, and in subsequent sessions, we discussed about arrays and arrays extension methods. In this session, we'll discuss about the type any. The name itself describing us, we can assign any kind of or any type of value to any. Sometimes we are sure that we know the type and we want to assign some specific kind of value to that, and we don't want TypeScript to check the type. Okay, if we assign a type, if we assign the data type any, the TypeScript won't check the type, and it will not throw us any compile time error. Okay, in the runtime, if it is not able to find that specific extension method or property, then we'll get runtime errors. Okay, what is my suggestion is like, if you're aware of the type, okay, my suggestion is like, please use the strong type. Okay, in rare case, for example, if we are not aware of the type and we are sure that the TypeScript environment as well, and we want to avoid the type checking, then in that case we can go with the any. Okay, let me just show you and give you a small example of any. Okay, const employee, and just assume you are planning to have an object and you are sure that the employee contains few properties like employee ID. Okay, you are assigning employee ID with one, employee name Rama, and salary 1000. Okay, actually, if you are aware of the type, okay, what we'll do, right? If we are aware of the type, then we'll just simply define an employee. Okay, if we are aware of the type, in the sense we know like what exactly we are going to get from the API, or we know like what exactly this object contains this list of properties. For example, if we are aware of the properties, employee ID, we know it contains number, employee name with string, salary 1000. Okay, then we will directly assign this to our employee. For example, if you are missing some property, then simply it will throw us. In the sense, the TypeScript will throw us. The TypeScript will throw us compile time error. Okay, one more term is like the TypeScript will check the, okay, what exactly the type contains, whether this object is missing any property present in that specific type or not. Okay, okay. In some cases, if you don't want to if you don't want the TypeScript should be check the type, then we can simply assign with any. Okay, if you see this, right, then it won't check any type. Okay, and simply assign whatever the properties you would like to, salary with 1000. Okay, sorry, salary is number. Okay, for example, if you are planning to read, if you are planning to read employee dot, then it won't suggest you, the TypeScript itself won't suggest you what exactly the employee contains, the properties or methods, what not. Okay, the employee contains emp name, emp name, then there is no issue. The UI will also show you the proper employee name. In case if you miss some type, if you miss some character from that, definitely you're gonna get undefined or the runtime errors. Okay, undefined or runtime errors. To avoid these kind of things, okay, I am suggesting, if you are aware of the type, please go with the strongly typed. If not, and if you are strong enough to know the type, then go with this dynamic property type called any. Okay. Thanks for watching Mr. DR Docs channel. Okay. One more thing. One more suggestion I will give you. For example, if you are planning to assign any kind of array values, for example, any type of data, any type of data, any array. In the sense here you can assign string, a number or char, whatnot. If you want to, if you want to assign any kind of array data type, okay, in these cases, for example, if you want to assign any object, any array, okay, for example, if you want to do any such kind of things, then you can play with the any. But make sure that you are aware of the all the extension methods present from the type you are assigning to. For example, you need to be aware of what exactly this employee contains. Employee object contains, for example, the extension methods and all. You need to be you need to be more aware of that. For example, just go with the string emp name is equals to Rama. Okay, if you aware this is going to be string, then in the compile time itself, the IntelliSense will show us it contains all the extension methods. It will show us all the extension methods. For example, if you are assigning directly with any, then you need to be more careful about on typing also. You need to type exact the extension method. Otherwise, it gonna throw us runtime exceptions. Okay, be more cautious about any type. Okay, thanks for watching Mr. DR Docs channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, share my channel. Thank you.